to wrap it up, Otto. How much does your paint job cost? I'm guessing it's probably, the minimum is at least 15,000, and it just goes up from there, probably. And that's a big investment. It's too big to waste it all when it's not protected, right? So we've talked about paint protection film before, or PPF, and while it's meant to protect your car from minor dings and dents and road chips, the natural elements of the road, it's not exactly enough to protect your paint in the longer run. So now we're talking about ceramic coating, and this is a different ballpark.
Ceramic coating has hydrophobic properties. See this bird poop? They can permanently affect the surface of your car, but coating it protects your paint and makes it a little bit easier to clean. If you wax your car or apply sealants regularly, it's better to apply ceramic coating instead because, again, it lasts longer. We're going to show you how to apply ceramic coating. Please remember that it's still best to hire a professional because you might get injured in the baking process. From left to right, we have a paint correction agent, wax sealer, 10H diamond coating, and a back to black. We're going to use them in that order. First, clean the bird crap out of your car. Then we proceed to applying our paint correction agent. Once applied properly, there should be no swirl marks visible. We then apply turtle wax used to seal the paint correction. It smells like coconut. This is my gateway to drugs. Glasklare's 10H diamond coat is meant to act as a barrier against dirt, contaminants, and water. It's also marketed as an anti-scratch coat. We apply a generous amount to the sponge before applying to the hood. So your car will look and feel glossier, just as it makes car cleaning a tad easier. Then we bake it. Literally, bake it with an infrared curing lamp. Be extremely careful because the lamp can destroy your coat or burn your skin if mishandled.
That is the process of ceramic coating. Now, here are the results.